That's good. It's all fastened
so that's
on.
fastened in.
Yeah.
Put a little aluminium bar there.
Brilliant.
Listen. What else? So all I've got to do.
All right.
The DC to DC.
DC to DC there.
Put a hole in with a grommet to get the wiring through to the back.
Okay, I see. Yeah.
Like a bit of a carpeted cover to go over it once it's in, maybe.
Yeah, I see it.
Needs be.
That's all good. The new clock.
There's that sort of just a temporary
Yeah.
jobby. Now, all I've got to do now. All I've got to do is run this wire to the back, basically.
Right, okay.
I did the other one.
Yeah.
For the heater. I think I put it in a trunk in.
Yeah.
I might have to put some bigger trunk in to get this in it as well.
Okay.
So once that's done, yeah, and on the wiring, this is special tape, like
yeah.
waterproof.
Yeah. Self-amalgamating stuff.
So that hopefully is long enough. I have checked it actually.
Yeah.
So I've got to route that. Oh, there's my yeah, that's my one.
Yeah.
So that probably won't fit in there. I probably have to put two double up the next size.
Yeah.
Okay. So I've just got to put the wire, sort this wire, tie this wire.
Yeah.
Put that plastic cover back on this side.
Yeah.
Put this cover on there. And that's for wiring for the heater. So if I bundle, because I don't know what you want to do. I mean, basically, I understand everything apart from the DC to the charging side of things.
Yeah.
I'm not sure the gauge of the wire and best left to it. Now this I could do, but he'd probably think, oh, I want that wiring as well. There is an excess of wiring.
Yeah.
But Webasto recommend not to cut it and do your own thing.
Okay.
In case it has to go back under warranty, they might not accept
Right, yeah.
chunks. So that'll have to be the excess, cable tied up or whatever.
Well, once the wiring's done, I mean, I think really with trade plates on, I can drive it to.
The thing is, the back. As you know.
Yeah.
Well, my bracket's in the box now, but
yeah.
The tank / bracket bolts on here. Why have I took it off? To put it on
yeah.
the car, I have to try it. So when I get it back, I mean, we could just put this on if you want.
Yeah, no, it's probably best left off. The only thing that's going to be missing are the indicators at the back, aren't they? I think I'll just be able to drive it to Steve's. Yeah. With the back off, but the front probably, he won't need to take the front off anyway, will he?
No. As soon as I get that wire under, I'll put the front back on. So I'll take this fuel tank off.
Yeah.
You're going to take it to me. He's going to do the DC sort of thing. And then if you get it back to me, I'll put the tank in.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, well, as I say, I'm looking forward to it really now.
It's been a long time.
Yeah. I've quite missed it. I mean, honestly, just using it to come backwards and forwards to work saves me a fortune, and it's absolutely ideal for me to come back and forward to work as well. And with that leisure battery on, I live about 4 miles away, so. Oh yeah, absolutely. It'll 45 mile. So it's basically a week on one charge. and the charge costs you about £1.5.
So you've no tax, but you need insurance.
Yeah, insurance is expensive on it. I've just renewed it. It's £660 a year. Yeah.
Is that because it's an EV? Is that
Well,
for any-
I don't know why it's for. They've just insurance has just all gone up now.
I managed to drive it up the ramp on myself.
Oh, well done.
So I don't know what you're thinking of doing with the gauge area, whether you want to put all your other
Yeah.
USBs in it.
What I'd like is like a little panel underneath there,
Yeah.
with a gauge in and places for the other bits.
Pod, maybe
Yeah.
a single pod, and top it dash.
Yeah.
Like a tack.
Well, there's a company sending me a night vision screen for it. So
What you thought of the car?
for the car,
Really?
yeah, night vision. I mean, the headlamps are crap on it.
Yeah.
So you can, with the night vision, you can just see way into the distance.
Well, I'm going to work with glasses.
No, it's just on the screen. Just on the screen. Yeah. Well, just a display. That. So, I probably need it back fairly quick to be able to do that as well. So, as soon as we can do it, the better. When I say we, of course,